Hi, and welcome back to Engine Shop Joe. If any of you are dealing with 559 fault codes and hard starting on a B series engine, common rail, you might want to take a look at this video. This is some stuff released in a service parts topic, or actually it's a technical service bulletin is what they call it these days. You don't see this very often, but it happened this time, so let's take a look. So these are the parts we're talking about, and the old style fitting, the fitting numbers 5266680 and O-ring 3963988, those were what was actually causing the problem. After it ran a while, you would lose the seal between the O-ring and the fitting and the head, and then you could get air in the fuel, or when you shut it off, the fuel could drain back. That causes long cranking times, or as we say, hard starting. If you had head part number 5396530, 5396531, and or 5396532, it probably had that fitting in it that was suspect. So you could call the 1-800 Cummins number and use the phone prompts to get to parts research. Give them your engine number, and they should be able to look up your fuel filter option and see if that filter shipped with your engine, and then you would know you would need to buy the updated part number, fitting, and O-ring that you'll see in a second. There was nothing wrong with the filter head. It was really just they were able to correct the problem by giving you a new fitting. So let's take a look and see. Here it is. So this is our new part number. It's actually a fitting assembly, part number 3692963. And when you install that in your old fuel filter head, the problem will stop. So thank you for joining me on Engine Shop Joe. Please subscribe. See you next time.